Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Emory HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Emory HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in hr.emory.edu and make a search. The official page of Emory HR's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on Self-Service Login. On the next page, enter your network ID and password associated with your Emory HR's account and tap on Login. This is how you can log into your Emory HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.